As we all know, Yuvika or Yuva Vigyani Karyakram is an ISRO-sponsored flagship program, and this is done every year, wherein the high school students are given this opportunity. Students or the children are the future of this nation. So this program is all about investing in future. SAC is also one of the major participants and one of the prime contributors to this program. Students from across the country have participating in Yuvika.
We are thrilled to have you join here at the Space Application Center. You will attend lectures on everything from physics behind rockets and satellite payloads to the historic Chandrayaan and the Gaganyaan mission.
अगर इन 10 दिनों में आपको कुछ सीखना है सो यू नीड टू बी फिजिकली एंड मेंटली प्रेजेंट वेयर यू आर.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशंस. ये ऐसा अलग सेंटर है जहाँ पे आपको बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वाला एप्लीकेशंस एक्टिविटीज़ मिलेंगे. जो सैटेलाइट और पेलोड हम बनाते हैं और वो किस काम के लिए बनाते हैं, वो एप्लीकेशन कैसे क्रिएट किया जाता है, तो प्लीज़ मेक मोस्ट यूज़ ऑफ इट. ऑल द बेस्ट.
You should be happy and you should be thankful that like there were 1 lakh applicants, and from that actually like 450 who have been selected and 49 or so are actually present here. So try to see, observe and learn as much as you can. Learning is actually like it's a continuous process, but it is very important to be a very good human being. And most importantly, while you are learning, enjoy the journey. That is very important.
So on behalf of Yuvika Organizing Committee at SAC, I thank all the members, volunteers and all those who have contributed directly and indirectly for making this a successful one. Thank you all.
In this program, there are 26 well-designed lectures, but it is not only about like lectures and classrooms. The students are also exposed to the labs and the clean rooms where their visits are arranged, so that they can get a first-hand experience and exposure to how satellite payloads are made. Besides, there are some very exciting and very informative programs which have been arranged. There's a program on demo rocket launch. The students were encouraged to integrate Pragyan rover, or the proto model of that, of course a small scale model.
We got this wonderful opportunity to make this rocket for ISRO Yuvika program.
Today we are doing a model rocket assembly and I'm very excited, and like the faculty has helped us very much.
The most exciting part was that when I got to know that we are going to make rockets by our own self. We are going to have the models. We have got the DIY kits, do-it-yourself kits. Students, they are engaged in such an activity where they are having fun and learn, like they are learning by doing.
I named this rocket Raman 2K26, inspired by the famous physicist and mathematician Dr. C.V. Raman.
रॉकेट को कैसे सेट करते हैं, रॉकेट को कैसे बनाते हैं, कैसे पार्ट्स को जोड़ते हैं, कैसे कैसे क्या होता है, वो हम आज बना रहे हैं, वो हम आज सीख रहे हैं.
And I'm really grateful to have this opportunity, and we're going to fly them in 2 to 3 days.
Today we got to launch this rocket that we made a few days ago, and it was such a wonderful experience. We made this with our own hands and our mentors really helped us make this.
हम दोनों ने मिलकर ये रॉकेट बनाया और आज हमारा लॉन्चिंग डे था. हमने उधर जाके देखा, सीखा कि कैसे रॉकेट लॉन्च करते हैं. इधर हमारा एक इग्निशन का वायर था, उसके द्वारा हमने ये लॉन्च किया था.
These are the rockets which we made ourselves and we launched it today.
I had a lot of fun and it was such a great experience to make a rocket by hand at such a young age, and I was really grateful to come here.
made a rover which can be controlled wirelessly. It takes X and Y axis data from joystick and sends it using a module in radio frequencies. The receiver, the rover receives it, controls the motor to turn like forward, backward, right, left.
This is our rover, and basically यहाँ पे IR sensor लगा हुआ है, and if I put a hand in front of it, it stops. These are our wheels. There's a wheel buggy system and everything.
Today, I made a rover. Yes, you heard it right, a rover. And we made it by ourselves because of the teachers and the staff which was in their Yuvika program. They helped us to assemble the kit, like we had a kit of making a robot. We assembled all the electronics, all the mechanical part, and we made a complete rover which can walk and it can detect things also.
I think Yuvika program is such a great exposure for young scientists and people who are interested in science.
सुबह उठने के बाद हमारा कॉस्मिक योगा होता है. योगा होने के बाद हम फ्रेश होते हैं. ब्रेकफास्ट होने के बाद हम सैक में जाते हैं या फिर दूसरे सेंटर्स में जाते हैं, विजिट करते हैं. उसमें हम डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट के साथ, एक्सपीरियंस साइंटिस्ट के साथ हम इंटरेक्शन करते हैं. हमारे अंदर जो भी क्यूरियोसिटी होता है उसको हम सॉल्यूशन निकालते हैं.
And I've also interacted with Gaganyatris. My highlight was seeing a vacuum and thermal chamber which stimulates the outer space environment for the spacecraft.
And also in the evening there was another program of stargazing, wherein the students actually by telescopes etc. were arranged and they could look at distant stars, some of the planets, and also actually some of the galaxies. The students have also been taken actually to different other prime research institutions in and around Ahmedabad. For example, they visited PRL, Physical Research Laboratory, and also the Institute for Plasma Research, IPR. So these exposures and experiences are also going to help them in their future. They are going to broaden their outlook, broaden their knowledge base, and also actually to sharpen their intellect.
And we got the opportunity to have face-to-face conversation with the scientists and visit many labs. Yesterday we visited Science City, in which we got to know many more things.
It was a really great experience to visit the Science City. This was my first time visiting the Science City, and I have learned more about space and many things about science, like physics and every aspect of science. I've learned a lot about it.
And we also learned about the marine life, the aquatic creatures, and the special species of the marine life.
And we also watched a movie, like it was in a planetarium. There's a place in Science City. So we watched this movie. This was a wonderful movie. We got to know about Voyager 1, like it was a spacecraft sent by USA. फिर से गणना करनी पड़ी और Voyager 2 के रिसीवर से मिलान करने के लिए पृथ्वी पर ट्रांसमीटर को फिर से ट्यून करना पड़ा. Yuvika has opened up new horizons for me, and that really pulls me up that everything is possible and the sky is the limit at this point.
It's my proud privilege to be a part of the Yuvika training program by ISRO. I'm so glad to be a part of this.
We are 40 students who came from Tripura, from a remote area. We are feeling very proud. We are feeling very privileged, blessed.
And we are learning by doing. That's the great thing.
We went to a lot of labs, we got a lot of lectures, and overall, I agree, it's a lot of knowledge. But from that knowledge, I'm sure everyone here will carry it in the future and really see what fields they want to choose and what they want to do in the future.
Actually, I want to become fighter pilot in my life, but after coming here, I am also having a second option of astronaut. My aim in my life is to help people through science, and I want to pursue a career in biological science and space astronomy combined. So like when we colonize other planets, I am able to help people.
My life is that I want to be a scientist in ISRO, so I can make new rovers, be something, learn something new about space.
My aim in life is to serve my country, and I want to pursue my career as an engineer.
My previous aim was to become a doctor, but आने के बाद इधर आने के बाद मेरा चेंज हो रहा है. इधर अभी स्पेस और फिर एरोनॉटिक्स में मेरा इंटरेस्ट जा रहा है, और मुझे अभी स्पेस में इसरो जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ही सर्व करना है अपने नेशन.
Everything was so well thought of. In the past few days, my experience has been great. Once again, I thank everyone who has made this possible, and I really enjoyed my stay here. Thank you.
So it is all about actually the holistic development and an all-round experience. And what is most important is actually that they should enjoy their stay here. This is not only about learning, it is also enjoying what they are learning.
हे गोरी राधा ने कालो खान गर्भे घूमे भूली भान.
उत्तरं यत् समुद्रस्य हिमाद्रैश्चैव दक्षिणं वर्षं तद् भारतं नाम भारती यत् सन्तति. The land to the north of mighty ocean and to the south of snowy Himalayas is Bharat, and the people born here are called Bharatiya. इसीलिए कहा गया है गायन्ति देवाः किल गीतकानि धन्यास्तुते भारत भूमि भागे स्वर्गापवर्गास्पदमार्गभूते भवन्ति भूयः पुरुषाः सुरत्वात्, which means that even the gods sing that the men who are born in this Bharatvarsh, which is the path to the heaven and liberation, are more fortunate than us gods. Dhanyavad.
When I interacted with the students yesterday, I was very, very satisfied in a way, and also I was very happy that they are really enjoying their time here.
Whatever you are doing, try to give your best, do your best.